video.
Wait, I'm confused.
Baby hat, guys. He doesn't want to do video.
Wait, I'm confused.
Baby hat, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to Samantha Game Videos. Today we're gonna do a LOL
unboxing.
This
was a rare find because these just came out. They're the LOL OMGs and we can't wait to open them. So let's get started.
Yeah, she found it.
Okay, yeah, I found it. And so this one is Lady Diva. It looks like it's Diva's sister. So you can get Lady Diva swag, Neonlicious, or Royal Bee. I know that Lady Diva is Diva's sister. I don't know who Sister Swag is. I know Neonlicious is Neon Cutie sister, and Royal Bee is Queen Bee's sister. So let's get opening. Here, I'm just taking the wrapper off.
Take the wrapper off, and I'll see the doll.
Oh, we need to take the wrapper off.
Take the wrapper
Okay.
off. Can't wait to see
Rip this. Sorry about the excursions. Meanwhile, I'll sing a song. Unbox.
No, me. No.
Okay, got it open.
Because
Now
that's
we've
the
got a
awful
tape.
sound of the universe.
Okay.
I'll take the
so,
doll out.
Here, I'm just taking the wrappers off. Sorry. How much tape? And they
So
can't
much.
make it like blue where it's easy to see. I'll make it a budget and
Neon cutie.
the farmer in the dell.
No.
Farmer in the dell.
No,
Farmer in the dell.
beep,
Hi ho, Sario, the farmer in the dell. So now we've got it unboxed. So we
Yeah,
just have to
now we
take
have
this off.
Oh,
it's so cute.
Whoa, this is so
This is what the doll's
cute.
gonna look like.
Now, in a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh,
Whoa, she's so cute.
Wait, first can we read the back? So it says,
Read the back.
for the OMGs, it says, OMG, we sisters slay all day. We strut fierce style like the divas we are. And we march to the beat of our own TJ, making everything a little more overall.
Okay.
We stand out from the crowd and write our own set of rules because we're here to surprise. Okay, so this is Lady Diva. She looks like an 80s. Oh, it's got the same name as the LOL.
Actually, it's not. Close our eyes.
Let me just take one here. Help me get the doll out.
I think these are her
I'll get the doll out.
clothes.
Sammy, I'll get the doll out. Ooh, it's a
that's
reusable
cute.
dressing room.
This is a real dressing room. A real book.
Yeah, so she comes with clothes. It says there are 20 surprises. You watch. Okay, Sammy, open up your package while I get Lady Diva out.
Oh, really pretty purse. So this is Lady Diva. She's right there and right there.
Okay, we'll get that out later.
Out later, she comes with a brush and like a
Very
stand.
soft.
She comes with a stand.
We'll show you when she does
It's
it.
hard to stand it up.
Here, I'm gonna
Okay,
get
so
some
just
scissors.
lay it down for now. Ooh. Okay, so when she does that, I'll just show the dressing room off. So
Come back.
there's a purse with it.
There is.
That was quick. Okay, why isn't it?
Okay.
Let's see Lady Diva. Ooh, little magazine of Lady Diva. She has a magazine of her.
Want me to read what it says?
No.
Maybe someday I can make clothes for her.
No, she has clothes.
I know, I'm just saying maybe I can make some clothes for her.
This is really surprising.
Okay, you can open another package.
Actually not.
Alright, Sammy. Okay, fine.
No,
I'll
I'll open. Okay.
hair.
toe. Yes.
Oh, it looks like my butter slime on it.
Woo! Yeah, she made butter slime the other day.
So we got her out. It's Lady Diva. Oh, she
Yeah.
even has painted nails. Her hands are very rubbery.
Wait, let me hold her.
Her hair is soft at the top. The curly part feels weird. At the bottom is like... Okay, so let's open up
Ooh,
this.
so
Actually,
pretty.
this is just her stand. So I'm going to open up this.
Woo!
Ooh, stand's going up. And the good thing about these is you can collect them all because it says who it is on the box. Ooh, some tall boots there.
Yeah.
Tall boots. Wait, can I see this?
It's her magazine.
I'm just trying to
She
see.
likes to read in
So,
her magazine. I'll put it in the Jessamine.
These are
She
ginormous
just likes
boots.
to read. I don't know.
Let me put her on her. Okay, let's put her
She
boots
looks
on her.
sweet.
Yeah, it's like her magazine. Just a magazine. Okay.
Nobody puts away because
Okay. So you can open a package now.
I'll
Sam.
put her magazine in.
So just open it.
Okay, I'll open package when she does that. I'll open this one.
Let me try to get it. So her car's putting on doll shoes.
Ooh,
Ooh, a necklace. She's got a necklace. Diva. It says Diva. Okay, let me finish up.
this is her like headband.
Sammy, can you just hurry up and get her stuff out?
I'm waiting for you.
Yeah, okay, fine. I'll open another package. Ooh, I think these are her clothes. It looks like
This
there's
is
got
how
dry clean. They wrap these very fancily.
Yeah.
Oh
my gosh!
It's the fluffy feather jacket. Ooh, it even has this. I think you're supposed to like hang it up in her closet.
No.
Oh, let me put this on her. Here, I'll open it. I think she's like a singer or something.
She's too
'cause
bad.
She's got a microphone.
Too bad.
She's got
Too
some fancy
bad.
clothes.
Here. Hello, everybody. I'm whoever this lady's name is. Bits. Yes.
Lady
What is-
Diva.
Hello, everybody. I'm Lady Diva. So, let's seek it out.
I'm surprised we found one of these.
Lady Diva!
Getting dog clothes on is like impossible.
I'm reading my magazine.
You can open another package.
Oh, thanks.
I'm surprised I found this today.
This
was
is
the only
actually
one
how
there.
you. Yeah. Look at that.
Okay. I'm sort of like the
Oh,
dog
gosh.
wrestler and she's
Oh, gosh.
She doesn't know.
Oh
She's
gosh.
like-
So,
Her
I
hair
might
is
do
like hard
another-
at the bottom.
I might do another video later, but
Of what? You opening the LOL, the other LOL you got?
no, maybe
I
tomorrow.
hope that we find these again someday.
Okay, so
Wait, I think she might have earrings.
yes.
No, maybe it's just her headset. Okay, Sammy, you can open some packages. You can open more packages. I'm just putting
There's no packages left.
Sammy, yes, there are. There are 20 surprises. Are there any packages left?
No.
No.
Other?
Well, she's got...
What
Let me
did
put
they
on-
say? It's 20
Yeah,
packages.
there's not 20 packages, Sam. Wait, does it say-
20.
Oh, her necklace isn't a necklace. It goes around her waist.
So
Diva
it's
is a very, doesn't have a great sense of fashion.
okay. So when she so hey guys, we're back now. When she does
Try to
that,
get her hands
I'll give you a show.
Sammy, I'm almost impressing her.
Oh,
What, is this like a snake or what is it?
ta-da.
Oh, it's... What is this? Oh, she's got snake earrings. There should be another one.
Snake earrings?
Yeah.
They're so snaky.
Do you see another one? Oh, doesn't matter. Well, apparently she has snake earrings. Snake earrings. She has snake earrings.
Wait,
And a necklace.
is this Phil's? Is this Phil's?
The things that Diva is wearing are Lady Diva. I would probably
Oh,
say.
so this is her neck. See, so
She has another earring, but I don't
Yeah.
know where it is. That's her necklace.
it's her necklace.
How many necklaces does she have? Oh, 2. Oh, her necklace is slime. I don't like that word.
I have nose.
Okay, so we've got her headset on. And so this is what she looks like.
This is what she. No.
Ooh, I like her coat.
This is what she looks like.
Very fancy.
Should I show you all the LOLs
Yes.
that I could find?
No, I already did. Okay. I'm trying to find the other
Hey.
earring.
I showed her
That was her purse. Oh, and she has this purse.
purse. No. Wait a second, people. We gotta finish off
Oh, there's
this
even a mirror in the
diva.
dressing room.
Yes, we gotta finish off this diva. Okay. So, before you see her,
The box.
the box.
Ooh, package next to it.
There's nothing in that, maybe. Go that. I opened
I'm
it.
just trying to see if I can find the earring.
Okay.
She has snake earrings. Okay, so I would recommend purchasing this.
Yeah,
Thanks
so-
for watching.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our videos. Comment down below.
This was $27
Subscribe to
though.
the videos.
I don't
Comment
think
down
it was
below.
worth $27 though.
Oh.
Bye.
So, bye.
Like and subscribe. Share with your friends.